Hi friends, today is 7th February and the time is 10:30. Sorry for late updation because after today's fall, I was supposed to conduct a lot of webinars for my subscribers. So after finishing that, I'm coming for the live webinar. So first of all, thanks to market for respecting my date, which is 3rd February. After budget, one day it was up, and exactly the trend changed on 3rd February, and from 17,777 Nifty, it was fall of roughly around 500 points in Nifty. 500 points in Nifty and roughly around 1,500 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, let's go to my PPT. Let's see what we discussed yesterday and how market respected my numbers. Okay, so we'll go to the PPT. Okay, so this is the weekly observation which I've sent you yesterday night itself, and as well as I've mentioned this in my social media also. So I clearly mentioned that 3rd and 4th are the important dates for Nifty, important trend change date for Nifty. So from 3rd February, Nifty fell almost 250 points, and Bank Nifty fell almost 1,000 points. And for this week, go short below 4th February low with the stop loss of 3rd February high, or go long above 4th February high with the stop loss of 3rd February low. And today after the market opened, it broke 4th February low, and we saw a decent correction. Okay, so now coming to targets, what are the targets Nifty achieved on a weekly basis? Okay, so now let's go to the second page. So sell only below 17,424, and the targets are 17,351 and 17,161. So Nifty exactly came and touched this number, and it went a little below that also, and it closed above this number. Number one. Number two, coming to Bank Nifty, below this you go short 18,555. Targets are 18,400, 38025 and 3729, because these two numbers are very, very crucial. That is why the difference is only 100 points here. Okay, so Nifty, Bank Nifty, it exactly closed in between these two numbers, in between this 100 rupees difference. It closed in between these two numbers because this number holds the key. So tomorrow, if it breaks 17,929, the first target is 37,400. If it breaks 37,929 for 15 minutes, the next target is 37,434. Once it breaks this last target of my weekly observation, I will add my another downside targets. And coming to Nifty, once it breaks 17,161 and closes below for 15 minutes, then 16,936 and 16,900 are the weekly targets. The fall today was so big, so it is achieved all the three targets on the first day itself, on Monday itself. Okay, coming to February numbers, yesterday future number, I've clearly mentioned major support is at 38,118 to 37,890. Today Bank Nifty exact low was this number. Today Bank Nifty low was 37,891, and from there it closed little higher. Okay, so this is our weekly observation, and for tomorrow I've already updated. Okay, so now any close, and one more thing I want to tell you is this is our one number magic. You all know this number I gave when the expiry started. I'm talking about February expiry started. Before that itself, I've given this number. This is one number magic. The one number magic for Nifty future is 17,174, and the one number magic for Bank Nifty is 37,474. Today, Bank Nifty came below this number for 15 minutes, and it closed above this number. So as of now, it is holding this number on 15 minutes closing basis on the closing. Tomorrow, in case if it breaks and closes below this number for 15 minutes, the sell again will create more panic tomorrow also, unless and until if Nifty future doesn't close above 17,431, you can simply be in short and enjoy the trend. And I've clearly given weekly pivot. This is spot number. So weekly pivot for Nifty is 17,576, which is my yearly pivot number also. And for Bank Nifty, it is 38,809. Okay, so this page I don't update. I update only this number for my shorts. Okay, so that's all remains. So now let's see whether 37,434 it is achieving tomorrow. So and tomorrow we have two counters to watch based on trend change date. One is Manappuram and second is Balakrishna Industries. Balakrishna Industries is at my at the support level. So watch out for Balakrishna Industries, and Manappuram is having the second continuous date. So it has already broken the first date, which happened 2 days before, and it is trading below. So tomorrow, watch these two counters, and the dates I've already clearly mentioned, 3rd and 4th year. So simply you can go short below 4th low, and that is what happened here. And Bank Nifty also. So now the next important date is coming on 15th February. And coming to metals, metals is not able to close above the number which I mentioned yesterday, and even TATASTEEL is not able to close above, even though it gave a phenomenal result, it is not able to close above 14th January high. So we need to wait for the next date, which I've already covered in my Nifty Metal Index video. Kindly go to it and see that. Once that date comes, we will try to do it. And then in the middle, I put a video on SBI saying that it is exactly at the resistance on pitchfork number, which is 550, and today's high was 549, and from there it came down and closed at 530. Still, it is looking good only, nothing to worry about it. Let's see how the market is going to behave tomorrow. Now, coming in case if Nifty holds today's low, and because it's a in my system it gave a fake sell. I will definitely show how it works. It has given a fake sell. Once it breaks today's low and stay for 15 minutes only, the sell will start. It will create more panic in the system. Unless that, it is not advised to go fresh short tomorrow unless and until it closes below today's low, at least for 15 minutes. And why? Because it went down but closed above my one number magic, which is 17,174 on Nifty future. Okay, now we will go to the graph. Okay, first we'll talk about this. This is Nifty 50. So this is my number, which is 17,161. Okay, so none of the candle closed below this number. One candle went below that, but closed above. The second candle exactly took the support there only, 17,161, and it closed above. Okay, coming to Bank Nifty, these two numbers are very, very crucial, which is 38,025 and 37,929. Okay, these two numbers only I mentioned there, and this number is the monthly number. So it is this three number will act as a major support for Bank Nifty, and it closed exactly within 38,025 to 37,925. So tomorrow, if it breaks 37,925 and trades below for 15 minutes, mostly it will try to break this Ichimoku cloud, then the fall will accelerate. Okay, so the next stop may be 37,434, and after that, the next target which I'm looking out is 36,864. Let's watch, because this is a very, very important number, 36,864. You can put it in your system and watch this number, 36,864. Okay, so once it breaks 37,929, I'm expecting 37,434. This number I've already mentioned in my PPT, and if it breaks this number, then the next stop will be 36,864. Okay, so I think mostly I covered Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now I want to show my system what happened based on 5 minutes. Okay, let's see my system. Okay, this is Nifty futures in 5 minutes. This is 3rd February. You can see in the down that it is 3rd February. I've already clearly mentioned after 3rd February, that is 3rd February, first 15 minutes high and low will decide the trend for the entire week. That is what I mentioned last week. You can go and see my PPT. once the first 15 minutes low is broken, my system gave a sell. My system gave a sell, okay, in 5 minutes. You are seeing in 5 minutes time frame. And from there is no buy. Absolutely, there is no buy, and it kept us to sleep with Nifty on short. And it has not given any kind of emotional, trigger to buy Nifty, even if it goes up by 100 points also. It allowed us to stay in the trend until we are holding short. Only when it comes to genuine buy in my system, I will buy. Otherwise, I will not buy anything, because my system is clearly from 17,716, and today it is 17,200. It has not given any buy at all, even in 5 minutes, which is the lowest time frame. Lowest time frame. If you go to 1 minute, which is again the lowest time frame, today it has given a sell here at 17,504, and there is no buy. It gave a buy here at 17,216, and it went and touched my blue color. So whenever it will, when it is in buy, if it comes and touches my blue color, it will bounce. It will bounce. So on 1 minute, it is in plus, but normally, since I trade positional call, I trade only on 5 minutes duration. Why I'm showing this is because this system can be used for intraday, even in 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. For a positional, you can use 15 minutes. Bigger positional, you can use 1 hour, and even 1 day or 1 week or 1 month. Okay, even for an investor, this will be very useful. But it keeps us to manage our emotions very well in any point of time. So that's why I believe my system to the core. And if you take 3 minutes, in 3 minutes, it gave a sell today at 17,455, and there is no buy in 3 minutes also. And since I do positional on 5 minutes, and from 17,716, absolutely there is no buy. And from December 2nd, the last 3 months, Nifty, if you go to Zerodha will last for roughly around 1,25,000 rupees margin here and there, 10,000 rupees. And we already doubled our money in the last 2 months time. First of all, thanks to market. Then my system comes. So thanks to market. So if you see here, even in 5 minutes, when it touches my blue color, it will get rejected. That's how it is so dynamic, so that we can simply sit with Nifty till it gives a buy on 5 minutes. That is the simplest, small duration thing normally people will use on intraday or a small positional. And this is actually a positional, from 3rd February to 7th February, 3 working days. Absolutely, there is no buy. So once it gives a genuine buy tomorrow, then we will reverse our position. Otherwise, we will stay in short. Okay. So this is what I want to cover. So I will try to cover steel stocks. Little busy for the last 1.5 days. I'll try to cover, and I'm very bullish on BEDL Vedanta. I've already posted the message in my social media. Once it closes above 370, I'm expecting something big is going to happen in this counter. The date I've already mentioned. Once the date comes, we will definitely cover Vedanta. Today it went there, unable to close above that. I will show Vedanta, and then I'll close this presentation. So it went, touched exactly my design, the red color design, which is 370, and from there it closed to below. And here also, if you see, if it goes and touches my design, it will come down. Again, when it goes and touches the blue, it will come down. So it has to break this level. Once it breaks this level, and that too when my date comes, which is 15th and 17th, I will definitely cover this counter. I'm expecting something very big in this counter. Let's watch. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me on the phone as well as on YouTube videos. I'll try to help you out. Again, same, I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. So kindly do your homework, consult your financial advisor before investing in any stock or cryptos or mutual funds or whatever. If you like the video, please comment it and keep the notification on. So in case if I put any video, you'll get the notifications. Thanks a lot. Good night.